Welcome, guys. Thank you for tuning in again to my channel. As you all know, my name is Amit Moria, and those of you who've been following me, thank you very much. Please like and subscribe if you are new to my channel, and please share. My channel is about dividend investing in general, financing, and how you can make your own life better. And later on, I plan to expand into a little bit more into finance and personal life and maybe some traveling. All right, let's get started. So today we have Lending Club. As you all know, I have done the review for the Acorn, Fundrise platform, even a Stash, right? These three platforms you can see on my previous videos. They are this almost same concept, but this Lending Club is a little bit different. This is a crowdsource where people come here to go and buy. Not buy. Come here to basically borrow money. So this is crowdsources. Whereas in real estate, the Fundrise that you saw was crowdsourced for real estate. Okay. So here I'm an investor. You can go on their Lending Club site, and then you can be either one of two. You can be the either investor, invest, or you can also actually borrow money at the same time too, or you can do both. Here is my return on it. Adjusted net annualized return 7.81%. Adjusted account value I have right now is $1,443.99. Available cash is $191.70. That's basically this money is waiting to be reinvested in. I think I turned it off a while back. That's why you see such a large amount of cash right now. And interest received, I have received $493.38. Right. Total payment principal interest, that would total really be $2,400. The notes that I have is $138. So total payment $2,400. I kind of like this platform, but the only problem is it's kind of a bit hard to understand, right? Like if you look at this net annualized, they talk about NAR, which I've never heard of it. Net annualized return measures the return on investment. Is the include borrower payment received each month, net of service, actual charge off. Right? You can read more about it, but I find it a little bit hard to understand exactly what they are trying to show me here. So unlike Fundrise, which is really easy to kind of understand, but they are in terms of passive income, right? I am making money without doing anything. Therefore, it's I don't really have that much problem. Where were we? Available cash. I have committed cash $25, outstanding principal, and account value. If you want to look at my automated investing, right, let's look at here. I have automated reinvest is on. I thought I turned it off, but it's fine. So basically they have different basket, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and cash, right? They basically pull your money and put in different basket based on what categories whoever's borrowing the money fall into. And they obviously they don't want to put all your money into one basket, otherwise that most money you make actually is from, I would say, CN down, but at the same time you want to have A and B because that's a little less risk. So they do that automatically. I don't do anything. Manual investing, right? I could do that. Like I was saying, here's somebody wants to get a loan refinance and consolidation. That's for 36 months. Their FICO score is 400 to 700 to 704. They wanted $25,000, and their funding is 98% right now. So other people have put in money, and there's about $400 more left, so it's about 22 days remaining for this would be closed for me to invest, or anyone in that matter. You could do that, but I don't try to mess with it because I have it automated where I really don't wanna do anything in terms of messing with their system. I'm very happy with whatever I'm getting. Alright, so that's that. So that's how you can do manual investing. Trading account. So that, I think this is how they're showing you how you can get your money out. Let's look at what else. Manual, we saw this. Summary. Right, this is where we were. Add fund. You can just simply put your money in or withdraw it. This one here, my note at glance. So not yet issued, I have one. Pending, issued and current, $71. At grace period 0. Fully paid, 51 notes. And late payment, one person has given me late payment, and that's from 16 to 30 days, and 31 to 120. 0 default, 0 people. So they're really good about who they're lending the money out to. Charge off, it's about 14 people, right? What is charge off? Let's look at charge off is which no longer reasonable expectation for their payment, so I guess that's a close to default. So that's about 14 people. Yeah, it's just cost of doing business, I guess. 30 days after the default has reached, upon the charge off, the remaining principal balance of the note is direct from the account balance, right? So yeah, that's after default, I guess. Okay, and payments. Here's my payment, 2,484 cents. Principal is 1,900. Interest, right, 493, and late payment is 33 cents. Let's look at view customize loan. Last assumption, my note, net annualized return, right, 7.8, which is nice, better than Fundrise, but again, I'm not sure if we are comparing apples to apple here, because it's just how they are doing it versus how they do it. 9 months. We already looked at our holdings. Oh, we didn't look at holding. Okay, we already went through this. A, B, C, and D, right? Majority of my money is A, B, C, D, E, F, and some in G too. Here's available cash, committed cash, outstanding principal adjusted, past due, and account total. And here's a little ledger that they're giving me. Deposited, right? I have deposited my own self $1,200. Investment, committed cash, $3,450. Principal received, $1,900. Note interest, late receivers, recovery fees, service fees, collection fees, withdrawal, pending. Right, I have not withdrawn any money. What else? Referral bonus, I got $0, right? Okay, terms. Oh, you can look at payment terms. 36 month to 60 month is pretty straightforward on that. Notes, we did that one. Let's look at notes. Oh, here are the loan ID, and this is how they keep track of basically who has what payment. So if I go to all, you can see somebody, this note, this is where I started issuing note. This goes all the way up. Portfolios, portfolio 4, invested $25. I think this was me attempting to do manual investment, and that's why I'm not a big fan of manual. All right, this is activities. You can see and payment $2, right? So on. You can keep on going if you really wanted to know. Order histories, things on auto, invest. We went through this one, and transfer is straightforward. All right, guys, let me know what do you guys think. If you had any better return than mine, and if you did, how and how much work did you actually put in? Right? This is me without actually doing any work, and so therefore I'm considering this a great, interesting platform, right? Just like Acorn, Fundrise, and this one, these three, where you just put in the money and you forget about it and let them kind of manage it for a small fee, and that's kind of like what I think is most important aspect of it. Passive income is, if you have to work for it, then it's another job, then it doesn't really count as passive income. So